Hey everyone, this video is mainly for George, who asked how we can use Darvas boxes to scalp. The main way I know how to scalp using Darvas boxes is by taking the depth of the box and adding to the top of the box and bailing the whole lot. There was a pro trader member called Chris, not sure if he's still a member, who many years ago grew an account pretty quickly during a bull market, trading hot stocks in good sectors and dumping a whole lot once the stock hit a profit target. Now, I just want to show an example in Apple. So here's one box that formed. The depth of this box is taken here, not down here, okay? And the depth of the box is simply added to the top of the box. You enter, you exit, okay? Again up here, you enter here. The depth of the box is here. You exit here, okay? And it's as simple as that. A stop loss goes by the bottom of the box. A profit target goes here. Now, as you'll notice here, that risk reward is 1-to-1, and so that's not for everyone. There's other ways to do it. Sometimes I'll use this method. I've talked about it before on Breakout Wednesday, but I'll go sort of 1.5 times a box to make my risk reward better than 1-to-1. Or sometimes even if the box is really narrow and narrow and shallow with Bollinger Band squeezing, I'll go 2-to-1 in that box and just scalp it and actually set a profit target based on the depth of that box. Let's just scroll through to another stock here. Now let's go to FND that's been in this huge uptrend. Okay, obviously I'm just picking examples here where it's obvious, but here's a depth of the box, bang, depth of the box, bang, okay? And so you can either stick with this stock the whole way, up with an uptrend if you have the patience, or you can buy these and try and scalp them by setting a profit target above here somehow. There's also the option, obviously, of just trading the breakout day of that box. So obviously this day, there's a lot of day traders that will be buying the break of this all-time high and they'll be scalping it before the market closes that day. Something I've done for sure, but it's not something that I do a lot of these days because I'm trying to, ride more trends for a bit longer and eke more out of the big moving, fast moving stocks. That is a bit of a summary on how to scalp using Darvas boxes. Any questions, fire them below. Cheers.